Ravinia Plumbing and Heating, family owned since 1928.
My family and I have been using Ravinia for over 10 years. We've used them at both of our houses that we've lived at. We've used them for various things such as our regular air conditioning and furnace maintenance. More recently though, we had a surprise in our basement when we noticed there was some kind of a leak in our theater room. We noticed the walls and floors were all wet, and so we called Ravinia right away. We knew they were the first people who would know what to do and how to figure out what had happened. When they came, it was within an hour of our phone call, and they diagnosed the problem within an hour upon arriving and told us that our sewer pipes had burst in our basement. Right away, they referred us to a remediation team that was able to come and disinfect and clean up some of the mess, and then they were able to start working on our basement sewer pipes, and then even go outside into our yard and work on the pipes out there to both replace and repair all of the sewer pipe damage. And that's why I recommend Ravinia Plumbing.